Good morning children, welcome to our social session. Now in that last sessions we have to discuss about the public institutions. What is that public institutions means by that serve the public, serve the people to they take care of about the people health and whatever the needed things they have to provide it. What is that public institutions examples? We have to learn in the last session Mandal Parishad office, Mandal Revenue office, Mandal Resource office. We have to learn about that police station. Now in this session we have to discuss about the primary health center, veterinary hospital, dam and school. What is that public institutions do that? Mandal Parishad office they can develop development to the their allotted mandal. Because every mandal have a mandal parishad officer. They can think about that. What are the needed in the mandal level people? What are the requirements are there? They have to take care about that. In that examples of the officers looks our primary education system, agriculture, irrigation, poultry, fish farming, and the constructions and repairs the roads. They have to look after that mandal parishad officers. Mandal Revenue officers that heads in the mandal level. He is headed by the mandal revenue officer. He is called MRO, and he public welfare programs running smoothly. He is doing his work is the public health, public caring, public welfare programs are going on smoothly. They can observe that, and that what are that they also look after distribution of the ration cards and collection the land revenues, collecting to the revenues and that. And another issues they come income certificates. They are issues the income certificates. They have to do these works. Next, mandal resource officer. He is look after by that every mandal have a education department. That he is that MUO. He is called MUO. Mandal education officer. He is that. They can call. They have supervisor enrollment of children in schools and quality education of schools. They are look after about the education system. He is every mandal appointed MUO. He look after supervise the child welfare. Every child have to study. Every child have compulsory to primary educations they have to need it. They look after, and that what is that they have to implementing the midday meals also. Always going on, it is going on smoothly, or any fraud going on, that he is also looking about the midday meals and guidelines of the schools. How can we can provide that facilities? How can given the education, best education? He is that given to the school managements to guidelines. Next, police station. What is that police station? It is a station house of that protect the people. He is that officer charged of your police station. Its functions of police station are reduce the crimes rate and that register complaints on people and act on them, then maintain law and order. He is that any crimes they can protect the people to the areas police stations. One police station have the SI and constables, head constables. They have to maintain in the police station. Any crime rate is not increasing, they have to look after, and not crime rate level will decrease. They have to look after properly. Any unparliamentary works going on, they have to check and they have to implement to not do again, and they can charge them to, they can punishment to the thieves, and as well as crime rate will decrease. They have to control. And next we have to go to the primary health center. Primary health center means in shortcut PHC we can call. Every mandal is have one PHC. Mandal officer will appointed to head the primary health center. Mandal officer means primary health care center means it is that about that what is that health care. Health care means doctors. We have to establish one government hospitals to every mandal. Every mandal have PHC. In that one or two doctors and head nurse and nurses, ward boys and operation room, labor room. It will be there in PHC, primary health care center. It is these are facilities are available in that every mandal have primary health care centers. In that primary health care mandal officer is appointed to the head the primary health center. A doctor along with the head health care workers look after the common health issues of people. Common health issues of people like fever, vomitings, motions and uneasy. That is called primary issues. Especially women and children, patients whose health care needs are not met here are referred to these district hospitals. Yes, they have to look after it on mandals. How many villages are there? They have to send it to the check up about the health public issues to the every village to nurse, and they have to recover the problems are there. They have to send it to door medicines also. If any health issues majorly is there, they have to refer to the district health centers. District health centers. Every mandal PHC have one doctor and a nurse and healthcare workers also work in this primary healthcare center. Next, we have to go into discuss about that veterinary hospital. Veterinary means, vet means it's treated to the animals. It treated to the animals. Animals means cow, cattle, buffaloes, cows, dog. Yes or no? They are animals only, na? Yes. Headed by the senior most veterinary doctor. Veterinary hospitals serve as healthcare centers for cattle and other domestic animals. Yes, domestic animals means what is that? The animals keep in a farm. That is called domestic animals, because of they have to help in our agriculture fields, our works. Yes or no? Like cow, buffalo, oxes are help in agriculture. Cow gives us milk and buffaloes are giving to us milk. And next one, they goat, sheep. They have to keep in farm in nearby house. Because of that, we have to, they provide the meat, flesh of them, and wool they have to giving to us to protect ourselves. These are called domestic animals. In domestic animals help in that take care of health centers. What is that? Veterinary hospital. Every mandal have veterinary hospital. It is headed by the senior most veterinary doctor. Senior most veterinary doctor. Veterinary hospitals serve as the healthcare centers of cattle and domestic animals. A vet associated by nurses or healthcare workers looks after ill animals and makes sure their diseases do not spread. Yes, it is the very important, because of that animals going to spreading the diseases, virus, because they have to go everywhere, anywhere they have to go, and they have to spread the viruses. That's only we have to need any veterinary doctor every mandal. They have to look after in that nurses and healthcare workers are doing. Every mandal, how many villages are daily, they have to visiting to the cattle, any problems are there cattle. The farmers and the cattle owners inform to the veterinary doctor. They have to go to there and they have to they have to check and they have to give in the medicines to the cattle. And a vet associated by nurses. In that veterinary also have nurses, and the healthcare workers. They also provide the healthcare workers to look after the animals, and every week go into some villages. They have to recover the problems, and they are giving to the medicines to the animals. And that it is look after illness animals and make sure their diseases do not spread. They have to look after that. Very ill animals are there. They have to provide one place, and they not send to outside. After completion, going on illness, after they can send outside, and they have to do that, not spread the diseases to others. The veterinary doctor used to the not spread the diseases. Next, we have going to check bank. The branch manager is the head of the bank. The branch manager is the head of the bank. What is that? The branch manager is the head of the bank. The bank allows the people deposit and withdraw money. Banks are also provided loans, farmers and small business as well as women's self-help groups. Yes. In the bank, who is the head? The bank manager is the head. He provides that withdrawals and deposits. We have to go to deposit the money in the bank and we have to give in withdrawals. Nowadays, ATMs came, but before 10 years, the ATMs will not there. That's we have to go to the bank, we have to write the voucher and we have to collect the money. In these days, ATM came and everywhere we have to go into the card and we have to withdraw money. But in the before 10 years or 20 years, we have to go into the bank we needed the money. That's next. In that, banks also provide the loans to loans to the businessmen and animals, women's self-help groups to provide it. School. Next one, that school is headed by the headmaster or principal. School is headed by the headmaster and principals. School are one of the most important part of the society. Yes, school is the most important part of society because of one of the most important. The principal ensures that the students are learning well and teachers are teaching well and they take care of school administration and facilities and maintenance. The teachers and students can approach the principal with their problems. Yes, that school is the most important because of the society is that they have to providing that people well education. The school gives us to well education, best education to the students, and that peoples are the head of who is the head of the school. The principal or HM is the head of the schools. The principal ensure that students learning well and teachers are teaching well, and that they take care of administrations and maintenance and facilities. Teachers and students can approach the principal with their problems. Yes, Mandal Parishad president holds the meetings. Just I will show something. Just you see, this is a very important box. I will show. See, Mandal Parishad holds the meeting is the heads different departments such as Mandal Revenue Officer, Mandal Resource Officer, Primary Health Care Center to know the status of development work. Such as meetings are generally pre-notified and well planned. A part of that from the department heads and the main officer of the different departments can also take part these meetings. The attendants can discuss issues and as per the agenda of the meeting. All elected sarpanch of different villages can put forward the problems of their representative villages and that concerned official respond to the issues raised. About this, now here we have to discuss about that. Next session we have to discuss about district collectorate and the Public Property Right to Information Act. Next session we have to discuss. Okay na? Thank you children.